How to fix iPhone sending green messages. First, open the Messages app and try sending a text. Blue bubbles mean iMessage is working. Green bubbles mean it's sending as SMS instead. If you're texting an Android phone, it will always be green. But if you're texting another iPhone and still see green, here's how to fix it. Swipe down from the top right and toggle airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then toggle it back off. This resets your connection to the internet, which iMessage needs. Next, open the Settings app. Scroll down until the end and tap on Apps. Now scroll down again to find Messages and tap on it. Toggle iMessage off, then back on to reactivate it. Also scroll down and check Send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Try toggling this off, then test sending another message. If it's still not working, open a web browser and run a speed test. iMessage requires an active internet connection, so make sure your phone has good Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you've done all this and messages are still green, the problem could be on the other person's iPhone. If their phone is off, in airplane mode, or has no internet, your iMessage will automatically switch to SMS. That's how you can fix your iPhone sending green messages.